It's your boy King Black Biz.
Man, put it on the beat.
X-Top nigga. Ring ring, I wake up early in the morning. My hand is size, someone is falling. Hello blood, it's already weekend. Can you have some plans, enjoy weekend? Oh brother, it's too early. Let me check my wallet, one you falling early. Watch the car, make orders, call babies. Tell the boss he says, okay, got you boss. Let me call Halima, Amanda, Rita, Juliet, Romeo is calling. That's fine, let me have a little nap. Last night I catch up a new baby. She lie on my chest right now. She got her lips, she got a nyash, she got a watch everybody wish to have. No problem boss. Fanya kweli washata on this car. Who got a nyash ndiyo wanatufaa. It's a weekend. It's a weekend. I say it's a weekend. Yo, the car is already. Babies wanakuja kwa foleni. We gonna have two ladies. How's the cash? Are we full bank? Oh yeah, yes we do, how we do. Pangala boom. Tukutane mitaa ya kati, tupige mitungi wala sio mikasi. Usije ukajifanya kupoteza wakati. Utanikuta nishapiga 5 glasi. Ninja kasokota yote nyasi. Kama hujawahi full makamasi. Tajiri ibuka chap bili zisome. Mademu mashangazi wakuone. Kumbe ndo hivyo. On my way, got you there. Traffic jamba tasogea. Kusudo hapa mtaogelea. We are waiting bro, we are waiting. Fanya kweli washata on